Giuseppe, what are you doing?
No, check it out. Look, I'm doing the door panels on my truck. I gotta get this thing done.
It's about time. I'll be honest with you. I'm tired of this truck being apart.
It's the truth.
You cut out the bottom one too?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
See? And I made my marks of where the clip is gonna go, and that's where I'm gonna cut them. Then you slide the clip in.
Beautiful.
And that's that.
So these holes are for what?
Door handles and
door
the
handle
window
and window
operating.
crank.
The window crank, yeah. Check
Beautiful.
it out. I got the shag.
That's what you're gonna put inside it?
Yep.
It looks like an Elmo doll.
Touch it. Look.
I can't touch that stuff. I'm allergic.
Come on, just do it. You can't look.
I hate that. I can't. It's too soft. I gotta go drink something. All right, drill the holes. Finish the holes, and then we'll take it from there.
Are you good? Come on, it's nothing. Look,
I don't know if it's too dry or what. It's too dry. It's too dry or too soft. I can't touch it.
Touch it again.
Even the thought. Go ahead, drill
Come
the
on,
hole.
touch it again.
Then we'll trim it.
Hey, Pops! Pops!
Oh! I'm coming.
Come here.
What's up?
The moment
Did one?
you have been waiting for.
Oh my god. Looks like between the legs of a red-headed stepchild. What are you, serious? You know, this morning I was gonna say it looked like Elmo's grandfather owed somebody in the mafia money over there. What is that? This is what you want? You want it to look like this? This is what you were looking for?
Elmo.
Who's Elmo? Phew, you're in bad shape.
Stop criticizing. Come on, look at this.
Well, you definitely got the 70s look.
Come on, look.
I have a problem with soft stuff.
Beautiful.
So that's what you're looking for. Well, you definitely got the 70s
One of the
look.
reasons why I did this is so that you don't get in and drive my truck all the time.
All right, you don't have a license. Go ahead, walk. What am I going to tell you? You can walk where you got to go.
I'm kidding.
Aren't you?
Come on. It's that
Well, you're
70s
definitely
look.
going to get the look you're looking for. That's
That's
for
what
sure.
that had. That's what the Barracuda had.
Look at that.
But it was white.
I
So
s-
if you get in with the slightest greasy
I know.
pants.
Well,
that's
why'd you pick
over.
this color? You picked it because why?
Oh, well, come on, because the third accent color is red. See around here, smaller. Are you good?
I'm fine.
Around.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
That's red. The lace is red. All that kind of stuff.
So you figured you do the interior the same as the accent color.
Exactly.
Okay. But anyway, so all right, sounds good.
You gotta go like this. It looks like I'm like messing around, but no, because look, you get the haircut.
Was one thing to say.
What? Come on, it does look good though. You gotta admit.
Yeah, it does.
Right? Come on, feel it one more time.
Wait! Taking over the world! Elmo style.